Look at this screen. In Pago Pago, it is 10:30 p.m. In Brasilia, 6:30, London, 9:30, India, 3 p.m. and in Japan, 6:30 p.m. Different countries, different times. But this is happening at the same moment. एक ही वक्त पर दुनिया के अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ का टाइम इतना अलग अलग क्यों होता है? The reason is time zone, and the base of all time zone is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Welcome to GeoSutra. Today we will talk about how to calculate time from GMT. But before that, let's talk about what जैसे जैसे नंबर लाइन पर ज़ीरो होता है वैसे ही टाइम जोन पर 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड है जिसे हम प्राइम मेरिडियन कहते हैं. GMT का फुल फॉर्म है ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम. ये दुनिया का ज़ीरो टाइम होता है. अर्थ एक टॉप की तरह वेस्ट से ईस्ट रोटेट करती है. अर्थ को पूरे घूमने में लगते हैं 24 घंटे. टोटल अर्थ 360 degree, which means total longitudes on earth is 360. Time is 24 hours. Then we can say that 360 divided by 24, that is 15 degree. This means every 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. And every 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Which means if someone moves 15 degree, they will pass 1 hour. East of GMT, time increases, add. West of GMT, time decreases, so subtract. बस इतना ही याद रखना है. ये पूरे दुनिया का टाइम कैलकुलेट करने में हेल्प करेगा. There are 3 super easy steps to calculate time. Step 1. Note GMT time. Step 2. Longitude difference divided by 15. And step 3, and the most important one, if you are moving towards east, add. If you are moving towards west, subtract. And the formula is time difference is equal to longitude divided by 15. Now let's take an example. India, which is located at 82 degree 5 minute east longitude, and GMT is 12 noon. Step 1, we know that GMT is 12 noon. Second step, 82.5 divided by 15, that is 5.5 hours. India is located in the east, so we have to add it. 12 plus 5 hour 30 minutes, which will be 5:30 p.m. in India. Now let's take another example, that is of Japan, which is located at 135 degree east. We need to calculate the time. GMT is 6 a.m. Step 1. Step 2, 135 divided by 15, that is 9 hours. And the third and the most important step, 6 plus 9, which is 3 p.m. in Japan. Next, take the example of New York, which is located 75 degree west longitude. GMT is 10 p.m. Step 2, 75 divided by 15, that is 5 hours. And the last step, 10 minus 5. We will subtract because we are moving towards the west, which will be 5 p.m. in New York. GMT is not bookish concept, it is used in real life, like in flights, international meetings, sport matches, weather forecasting, GPS, sport matches, etc. Let's look at the quick summary. GMT, 0 time, Earth, 360 degree in 24 hours, 15 degree is equal to 1 hour, east add, west subtract. Time difference is equal to longitude divided by 15. If you remember this point, you will be able to calculate any country's time easily. Thank you for watching this video. Hope so you like this video.